Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on the REALME P3 5G phone. So the first thing that we can try doing, if for example you have earbuds and they're not connecting, what you can try doing is just toggling Bluetooth on and on. You can do that by going to the control panel and then toggling Bluetooth on and on right here in the left. Or what you can do is go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and just toggle it on and off right here. There we go. And now if you try connecting to your earbuds and they still aren't working, what you can do is just unpair them and then pair them again to see if that fixes anything. So to do that, you just go into the info section of your earbuds, and after that you just press unpair, just like I did before. So and now that the earbuds are in pairing mode again, we can just connect them, pair them to our phone back up, and here as you can see they're paired again. So the next thing that you could try is restarting your phone by just holding the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time and sliding up to restart. So now while we're waiting to restart, what you can do is also try to reset your earbuds. So usually when earbuds have a button, you can do any sort of combination to reset them using just the pair button. So just look up the manual for your earbuds and reset your earbuds to see if that fixes something. And once the phone restarts, you can just pair with the earbuds back up and see if that fixes anything. And the last thing that you can try is to go to the settings and try to see if you need to update the software to fix the connectivity bugs. So scroll down to System and Updates, press Software Update, and here it's going to be checking for updates. Let's just connect to the Wi-Fi because I've just reset the phone. Okay, there we go, it's connecting. So now if we check the system update again, it will show you whether you need to update your phone or not. And if you do need to update, just like I have, so I have security update and system update, which fixes some known issues to improve system stability. So this might help. So just press the button on the bottom to start downloading the update, and then press the restart now button to install it onto your phone. And that's pretty much it. With these tips, your earbuds should be working, Bluetooth should be working. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.